Okay, Jules. Ready? Here you go. Here, Jules.
You have to send it to the cleaner.
What do you think, Jules?
It's a great.
What do you think, Jules? Hmm? You like that? Oh, yeah, you like that, huh? What do you think? Yummies? Want some more? Okay, here. Here, Jules. Oopsies. Here you go. What do you think? Yummy? You want to hold the spoon, Jules? Huh?
Jules, you eating cereal now? Yum, 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 yum.
Yummies, huh? More? Okay.
My mother would mix it with juice
I'm recording.
sometimes, apple juice.
Not yet.
Apple
Jules!
juice and cereal.
Here, Jules. Can you move his hand, Mom? Uh-oh. Here, Jules.
Mmm.
He said he'll push it out like that first.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What's up with this pose, Jules?
Good.
What's up with your arm? You just relaxing? Huh?
Okay, manners, napkin.
Here you go, Jules. Yummy, yum, yum, yum.
I like the regular spoon better.
How to keep it in? That's a spoon, Jules. Spoon.
There's a spoonful. Didn't nobody gave you silver spoon?
Here, Jules.
Nobody gave. Isn't it his tia gave or cup?
That's to put the food in.
A bowl?
Yeah.
Let me see how he will feel with this. Okay,
Oh, it's
this
too
is-
big.
No, but you only do the tip.
Here. That's a spoon, Jules. What do you think, Jules? Huh?
Let's see this spoon.
No, it's too big, Mom.
No, I'll just see how he will. Open.
It's too big.
He
Yeah.
doesn't.
Here, Bubba. Why are you leaning, huh?
Touching your fingers.
What do you think, Julesy boy? Mmm. Yeah.
I was thinking that Chas was going to be sent home. They sent home somebody.
I'm
who knew how to
recording.
dance. Huh?
I'm recording.
Oh.
Here, Jules. More cereal, Julesy? Mmm. Yum. That's yummy, huh? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. More? More, Jules, here. Mm. Yummy. You like the spoon? Look, follow the spoon.